And apparently I'm live. And I'll put my camera on. And this is an early one. It's an early one. It's because me and Andy was having a heated discussion last night on Facebook. I don't know if Andy's about, but if he's about, you know, I can always send him the link.
I think you need to apologise for some of the stuff which you said to me yesterday on Facebook.
No, you can shove it up your arse, because you know I'm right. We do it the old-fashioned way. If you've got the balls, right. you drive all the way down to my house, and we'll sort it out the old-fashioned way then. Oops, looks like I've upset Andy. Damn hard you're going into me.
Anyway, just after 7 o'clock, Stansted Airport. Good old Essex. The only way is Essex, says old Bill, my mate Bill, who lives in Colchester. I might pay him a visit actually. You don't know about it. Always keep a pillow handy in the car, and I got myself my little duvet. Not as if I'm going to need it today, I just feel as if I need something over me. Could do some curtains in here. Good night. Oh, the alarm's just rang. So, I think what we're going to do now, I don't know. I don't know what we're going to do yet, to be honest. I haven't fully woken up yet. So, first things first, put my shoes on, I think. I wouldn't mind to wander around the town, to be honest, just to get a feel for the place. Obviously being sort of, you know, England's first city, I think that could be quite interesting. Right, so it's a bit blowy. Stood on top of a car park in Colchester town centre. So this is Colchester. Quite a sizable place. I don't come here very often, just because it's sort of so long away, really, from where I live. It's about as high as we can go. So I can't go too far because I'll lose my bearings pretty much. It wouldn't be good to lose your bearings in a place where you don't know. I'm wearing high-vis vest, so I can kind of see myself if need be. Right, I'm just trying to figure out where the old kind of city is, because this, I think, was a walled city once upon a time. Yeah, I think I might have to go down on foot. I think that will probably be the better option. Right, so this must be, I guess this must be Colchester town centre. Yeah, it looks pretty modern, to be fair. It's a bit better than Swindon. Swindon's gone right downhill over the past 15-20 years. They've just not invested any money into it at all. So I don't really know where I'm going at the moment, so I'm just doing this by the fly. Welcome to Castle Park, Museum Street. Welcome to Castle Park, a green oasis in the heart of Colchester, shaped by 2,000 years of history and a site of horticultural splendour a haven for wildlife and a venue for civic ceremony, concerts and summer festivals. But yeah, this is kind of like right in the centre of the city and centre of the town. We got something kind of similar to that, kind of a green oasis called Queen's Park, almost in the centre of the town. But this here, I mean, it just knocks complete spots off Swindon's face any time of day. There we go. Not sure I spotted this from the air with my drone. There we go. Yeah, very nice too. Right, so would be rude not to, wouldn't it? A little fly around Colchester Castle, have a little look. There she goes. It's Colchester Castle, right in the town centre or city centre of Colchester. Gives you a little idea what it's like, doesn't it? Moat doesn't extend all the way around it, or the keep, should I say, which I'm quite surprised about. I thought it might have done. There we go. Yeah, it's in some nice grounds. You can see the grounds here. It's a very pleasant green space in a concrete jungle, which is kind of what we need, more places like this. There we go, Colchester Castle. Right, we're 10 minutes away from Bill's place. He's got no idea that I'm on my way, so we're going to play a little crafty trick on him. Because I speak to him occasionally on Messenger or Skype, so I'm going to call him. Come on, he's normally picked up by now if he's on the internet. Ain't going to answer, is he? He's in his back garden, I expect. Pick up, Bill, pick up. Cheers, thank you. Okay, let's try round the back. Hello, anyone home? Hello. Hello, Bill. I thought you might be here. How are you, mate? Hello, Fred. Good to see you, Bill.
Kettle on.
Here we go. We're in Bill's back garden. Andy and Bill.
There you go.
There we go.
In the garden.
Fuck you, Smokey, saying.
Yeah. Fuck you, Smokey.
You can't around some of this.
You might have to do that bell. But do a beep. Fuck you, Smokey, you cunt. You beat that bell.
Absolutely. Right, Bill's garden. I'm going to grab my tea, Bill.
Yeah.
You want to grab your tea as well, do you?
Yeah. I'm alright. There's the hops. They'll come to the end now.
Yeah.
All been mostly
Do you got no brews on at the moment with the old beer, have you?
No, but I have vacuum sealed them, dried them and vacuum sealed them for next year.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll have plenty. I've got enough for about.
So you'll use them.
Yeah.
Those hops in your homemade beer.
Yeah. 80 gallons.
It's even more homemade then, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Do they supply your hops anyway in a homemade kit?
No.
All right, you got to go and buy them.
Yeah, because they usually within the kit. I think they've already balled up the hops with a malt, and that's why it get a lot of syrup.
Oh, okay.
So it's not.
I don't know.
It's not proper.
I'm not a connoisseur of beer, like you, Bill.
There's not much actually so drinky wise because we've mostly picked apples,
I'm too late, guys. It's all gone. I'm sorry. You've come. There's nothing here for you. Oh, he's got a plum up there.
We've still got one plum.
There we go. Let me just be able to see it.
One plum.
One plum. Here we go.
Yeah.
Just to be able to see it there. Look.
And we've got our medlars.
Medlars.
Medlars, what they call
What are they then?
dogs' arses.
Dog's arse.
Looks like a dog's arse.
Oh yeah.
Smoking oil like that. Zoom in for smoking oil.
Allegedly, of course.
Oh
allegedly.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Allegedly.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, we're not implying this. It's just allegedly.
Well, yeah.
Apparently.
You know what I would say.
That's right. Yeah. Well, there's no smoke and all that. You know, there's got to be some fire somewhere, eh?
Well, yeah.
Where's the room? There's got to be a bit of truth. Let's say. Let's just keep it like that.
Yep.
What else you want to show me then, Bill? Lead on.
Well,
What else?
we've got into here. What's left? What left of the crops? Not much.
I think I might stick my drone up in a while, Bill. Actually, have a bit of a fly around.
We've got some.
Oh, you got some
marrow
curly.
still going.
Some is that curly kale or
That's
something?
curly kale. That's brilliant.
Ah, see, I know my curly kale from my Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
We got down the marrows down there, have you?
Marrow's down there. But the curly kale, we found out. A lot of people don't know. Once the season finishes in a couple of months,
Right.
they just pull them up. All right. But they're perennials. They come up every year. So all you do is leave them to grow, and then springtime just chop them down. So there's still 4 or 5 inches left on the stalk, and they'll come back again. They're perpetual. People don't know that.
Oh, I didn't know that. I suppose you didn't know that either, did you, out there? Stop lying if you did.
Yeah, exactly.
That's right.
We picked most of. That's the second lot of beetroot,
Right.
just for a winter crop.
Yep. Nice little patch, Bill, isn't it?
Yeah.
We got in there sawdust and all sorts in there, just thrown in there.
Well, yeah, the best manure you can get, chicken shit.
Oh, you got a whole fresh supply over there, haven't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
How are the girls? Are they okay?
Oh, good, yeah. Doing all right. Nice and healthy.
You got a favourite one at all? Apart from the one you ate last night.
Yeah, that one, yeah. Yeah, that one's been eaten.
Yeah, it's gone, mate.
With these, I don't like lettuce, but other people do. But that's going to seed.
What was that? What was it?
Lettuce.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's what lettuce looks like when it goes to seed.
Yeah. So all these, there's
Yeah.
plenty of seeds in each of these. So
Okay.
if you want some lettuce to grow,
There you go. Lettuce seeds come to Bill's. Colchester. Just ask. Everyone knows Bill in Colchester. Just say Bill with the guy with the lettuce seeds. Everyone knows him.
it'll get some lettuce seeds. Also the carrots. Don't see, these are ready to pick some seeds, carrot.
Wow.
They're going to
So
seed.
they would just grow. They're not like these masculated ones you get in the shops and that, where you just get one season out of them and then.
No. These are all heirloom varieties. There's not a single hybrid. Not
Nothing.
a single.
It's your original carrot
Yeah, original stuff.
from millions of years ago, thousands even, not millions.
28 quadrillion years ago, when
That's right.
Uncle Bert, the monkey fish, he spurted out cabbage seeds and
Oh, good old Uncle Bert, the monkey fish.
yeah,
The monkey fish god.
monkey fish god. He done it for us. Radishes going to seed. So I always keep again because they're all heirlooms.
Right.
You know, I keep them. Oh, that's pretty flowers there.
That's lovely, isn't it?
So radish
There we
seeds. I've had my lemon trees are covered up,
Right.
so they
Oh,
don't
wow.
get obviously killed by the frost.
Right.
But they'll be all right.
Well, we've got global warming apparently, so we're
yeah.
not going to get any frost anymore.
No.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, Bill.
That's it.
God, that's a primo specimen. Look at that carrot, people. Hold it up to the camera, Bill.
Yes.
There we go. Look. Nice bit of carrot,
Essex.
people.
Essex carrot.
Essex carrot. What's it? Grown in chicken shit.
Yeah, grown in chicken shit, so that's be extra tasty.
There's your chickens down there. They're the extra tasty ones, mate. Come to see what's going on, and they want to be on camera. They've heard about Andy Cap, you seen his YouTube channel. They want to.
That's what it is. They want to
That's
be part
right.
of it.
They're bombing it, and they're bombing the video bombing.
Go quite high then, bloody.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Oh, we'll
How
do.
high does that bloody go?
How high?
Yeah,
Well,
will it go?
legally 400 feet.
High. So we'll go high though.
The Apaches have come over.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh yeah. Legally, it'll tell me in a minute. Right, you've reached your ceiling. Stop. There we go. Can't see it. Got to lost it now.
It's over there. I know it's over there.
Is it?
Somewhere here.
Okay. I've got over the allotments, Bill.
Oh, yeah, you're actually over the allotments.
Yeah, I'm
Right
over the
the
allotments
neck,
there,
you're
look.
right over there. Huh?
Yeah. Which way? Where's the allotments for me? Is that over that way?
No,
over there? Is it?
Over there.
Over there, is it?
Yeah. So where are the allotments on there, do you reckon?
Hang on, I've lost signal.
What happens there when you ain't just fall out of school, does it?
It might come back. The allotments are down there.
Right, so allotments are down there, so I think you need to head up that way, I think.
Up this way?
Yeah, up that road. I don't know what fields what. That's the school, isn't it? That's the school.
Yeah, that's
there.
the school there, I reckon.
Yeah, so that school's there.
Right. So there's the corner there, look. There it is.
Where?
Up there, look. See him?
Oh yeah, flipping heck, he was way out. He was going, yeah.
Bring him down now.
That's clever, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, Bill's back garden. Again. There's Bill's back garden, look. There you go. You can zoom in as well if you wanted to, yeah.
Well, you've got the greenhouse on there and everything, haven't you?
Hang on, I'm going to zoom in.
Yeah, I can see us, look, look.
That's all built. There you go. I'm gonna shoot off, mate. All right. Yep. All right. See you later, John. Take care. Good to see you. All right, Bill. I'm gonna. Yeah. Good night. Goodbye, Fluff. But I'll see you later, bro. All right.
Look after yourself, mate.
Next time. I don't know when I'll be up here,
Yeah,
but I'll try and give you some notice next time.
Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good fun. Good to see you, Bill. I really appreciate your hospitality, and it's going to rain, isn't it?
I don't know, probably.
Probably.
Well, you've got plenty of footage to work on anyway.
Yeah, we have. Yeah,
Extravaganza.
make a nice little video.
Yeah.
So, don't know how much I've got on here actually. There we go. Ooh, I'll just alter that. You're on the big cam.
Yeah, see, look.
Me and old brother Bill.
Yeah, see, look, I even give look.
Oh, give me the sign. Give me the sign. Feel all anointed now.
The anointing will flow on the way down.
All the way to Milton Keynes. Yeah, Cranfield.
All right.
Pick up Cranfield. I've got about 3 hours to get there, so I should murder that hopefully.
Yeah,
try and get ahead of the traffic.
Yeah.
Anyway, Bill.
All right, mate.
Laters, yeah.
Look after yourself.
Take care, brother. Yeah, we'll do.
I'm going to be making stew.
Making stew.
Making stew.
At dinner tonight, is it?
Yeah.
Bill's dinner. Take care, Bill.
Yourself.
Yeah, tell her, mate.
All right.
Cheers, Bill. Thanks a lot. See you again.